Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Quitman local and long-distance movers. Near me. Long-distance relocations can be very complex to pull off because of the careful planning that such relocations require. A long-distance relocation is any relocation that covers or exceeds a 50-mile distance. Movers have to be trained specifically for such moves to be successful. We have trained and skilled movers that will ensure you remain comfortable throughout the trip. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour for the local relocations in and around Quitman. Our services are streamlined to meet your specific needs. With us at the helm of your relocation, you can be sure that you will get to your destination in one piece. We are your best option when it comes to relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Quitman moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.